The Defender PhoenixHD Camera System offers a simple and quick installation process, requiring no professional help and getting you up and running in just a few minutes. With its robust GigaXtreme technology, this system provides a secure and interference-free signal that can cover distances up to 1,000 feet without needing Wi-Fi. The system features a large 10.1-inch touchscreen monitor that delivers high-definition, crystal-clear video quality, enhancing your surveillance experience. Its two-way talk feature allows for direct communication through the monitor with clear audio, adding an extra layer of interaction to your security setup. Equipped with advanced motion detection, the system ensures precise monitoring by sending real-time alerts to your monitor whenever any movement is detected. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the PhoenixHD Camera System ensures comprehensive protection for your property, making it a reliable choice for home security.